All right.
Simple 9-volt battery.
Simple 9-volt battery.
9-volt battery connectors off of Amazon.
Yeah.
You get 3 of them for like $5.
Yeah.
Take your 9-volt battery.
Yeah.
The negative wire goes to the yellow wire.
Yeah.
And the positive wire goes to the blue wire.
Yeah.
And press the button. That's what you get.
Yep.
I have no idea about the panels up front here, because the panels up front, the panels up front here
Whoops.
have so many wires here. I'll have to tinker around with that.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it. I have no idea for these fornicator numbers.
Yeah, I don't. Not to get my electric tape and everything, take these up here. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, that's it. Thank
That's
you.
it. Thanks for watching for my quick video of wiring on my Innovation Bruiser KONE elevator hall station panel from the building at Sewell Hall at University of Wisconsin in Madison, Wisconsin. From Chloe Jack from Elevator Bob from Arlington, Texas.
I'd had as many epidurals that I could possibly have in 1 year. And that's when Tara,
With so that being said,
telling me to
thank
try
you.
for arsenals. The future I can see. I couldn't see it before. You can't use this. See for yourself with a free personalized arch support fitting at the Good Feet store.
Discovery Day Camp is back at Morrill Hall. We cover natural history and science topics for K2 and 3rd, 5th. Register today at museum.unl.edu/camps. See you then.
Color our world with Lincoln City Library's Summer Reading Challenge, May 23rd to July 31st. It's fun and free. Sign up, get a Salt Dogs ticket and pool pass. Read 10 hours. Track your time. Visit the library. Visit lincolnlibraries.org today.
Welcome to Comfort Made Mattress Factory's new location in Southwest. Every mattress is built right here in Justin. Any size, any shape, any comfort level, and backed with our lifetime comfort guarantee. We'll come to your home and adjust your mattress, firmer, softer, or anything in between. Right now, save $100 off, free mattress protector, and free delivery. Come see it, Comfort Made Mattress Factory next to Shield, and let us build your perfect night's sleep.
I can't find it.
At Baxter Toyota, we won't sell you a car. We'll help you buy one. With no handoffs, no hassles, and no hidden fees. Choose from our incredible selection of new Tundra and Tacoma trucks, or on our great lineup of SUVs, including the all-new redesigned 2026 RAV4. Even find your perfect hybrid vehicle. Experience the helpful way to buy a car. Get started now at toyotaoflincoln.com.
Breaking now, a massive update for the people quarantining inside UNMC. The American passengers who were exposed to the hantavirus are being allowed to return to their homes on Monday. Now, the CDC breaking the news to us not too long ago. There is a caveat, though, to the release. They're going to be forced to quarantine in their homes, and to make sure that happens, their home states will have to post a police officer or a public health worker outside of their homes 24 hours a day for the next 3 weeks. We will make sure to keep you updated as we grow nearer to their release from quarantine. New tonight, an executive order against anti-Semitism. Governor Jim Pillen making a statement today, along state lawmakers and Jewish community leaders. We say we take a look inside here. This was the scene when the governor at the governor's conference room as he signs an executive order establishing standards and measures for state entities to further combat anti-Semitism. A mass of people, as you can see, standing with him in solidarity. Let's take a listen in.
On the video.
Are they?
We have seen just a
Well,
ridiculous,
you can stop your video.
unacceptable surge of anti-Semitism across our
Well, a
nation,
little bit
across
turned
Nebraska, and in our
A little
high
bit
schools
turned
and our
down.
universities, for crying out loud. It's an
you
emphasis
turn
on
the volume down?
transparency. The CO
Where is this?
requires each
No,
institution of
oh,
higher
behind you.
education
Well, grab it.
in our Nebraska Department of Education to look the problem right
To
square
a
in.
little bit. What
The
number?
Nebraska Catholic bishops are expressing
What number,
solidarity
Dad?
with Governor Pillen's
Yeah, just above the second line.
We thank Governor Phil and
Where's the
others,
second line?
civic and religious leaders, for uniting our community in peace and friendship, which is urgently needed today.
God bless it. God fucking damn it.
Warning language.
Yeah, I know, Jeffrey, but very frustrating.
In that video.
Are you still videoing?
Yes,
Well,
because we're gonna speak because
that swears, yes, I know.
because we're going to do a very fast speed up video. Go blah 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 blah.
Mm-hmm. That work now? There you go. Okay. Better?
Better.
Hope so. Okay. Here with that. Okay. As for these other ones,
Yes.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
At least they have common sense to have the ground wire. Because each one has a red, black, and white wire on them. That's a little too long. I need to get some wire strippers.
Yeah.
Using my fingernails and everything, not very good for fingernails.
Yeah.
Jeffrey, come over here.
Oh.
Hold that up or something.
So,
Okay, now we need another battery. I'm busy right now. Don't forget, I gotta go outside and put my bike away.
Yeah.
I think this one's dead.
Yeah.
I think this one was in the smoke alarm.
There we go.
Oh, it comes on?
Yeah.
But,
It's elevator number 6.
what's it say?
Okay.
Yeah.
You can see on my video.
Mm-hmm.
It's still recording. See the number.
Yeah, but if the battery's plugged in the entire time, the light's gonna be on the entire
lights-
time.
Lights can be on this video.
So
Still?
we need something to interrupt the light.
Interrupt the light.
Because you don't want the light on all the time.
Yeah.
So I'm not sure exactly how to trip that out and everything with just the button there.
Yeah.
But okay,
Okay.
is that it? That's all of it?
It's that number 5.
Oh, the other one?
Yeah.
I have not stripped that one down yet. Yes, this one. These 3 here.
These 3 here.
Red, black, and gray.
Oh.
That's come up too?
Yep.
Is it?
Oh, let's.
Yeah.
Yeah. A little bit.
Positive. Negative. There.
There.
Is that better?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. 2V. Okay.
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 Alright, that's it.
That's it for how to wiring on my Innovation Bruiser.
And that was the red wire on the positive, black wire on the negative. There's also a white wire. I'm guessing that's a ground. So, and that's on a 9-volt battery.
Yep.
Alright, that's it.
That's it for how to wiring on my Innovation KONE Innovation Bruiser elevator button, lobby or called lobby panel or the hall station. From at the building at what name the hall? Sewell Hall.
Sewell Hall.
Sewell Hall at University of Wisconsin in Madison.
Madison, Wisconsin, right?
For where Sewell filmed it back in upload in February.
Okay. I'm going to try and tuck these all in and patch it up and...
So stay tuned for more videos.
Yep. Bye-bye.
And the video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can also watch more, and you know what to do. Click that video up here, And click that video up here.
And
Click that video up here, down here.
and
And of course, don't forget to subscribe.
and well, what else?
Light up that bell.
Yep.
Until next time.
Beep beep. Mm-hmm.
Until next time.
Mm-hmm.
Say bye.
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 Bye what?
Bye.
Oh, bye y'all. Okay.
Say bye, y'all.
Bye y'all.